Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to fix a cracked window without expensive repairs. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to help you repair cracked glass effectively, so make sure you stick around for that. Wicking Technique. The wicking technique is one approach you can take. It is a straightforward method of fixing lengthy cracks with few tools, typically only one injector and a couple of crack expanders to maintain the crack open and stable. Applying resin at the impact spot is the first step, which is then carefully fed along the crack line with a Q-tip. The resin should flow forward spontaneously, gradually expelling air as it fills the crack. A clean, uniform fill is achieved by working behind the flow and using film tabs to close portions as you go. This technique offers a strong, discreet fix for long surface cracks without requiring a complete window replacement. Using crack sealing tape. Tape can temporarily fix a broken window, especially for small cracks. Covering the crack lessens the infiltration of water or air. When repairing double-pane windows, this tape is beneficial for temporarily preserving insulation. For optimal adherence, make sure the window is dry and clean. Use a sharp utility knife to cut off extra tape gently for a seamless finish. Glass adhesive. Most glass adhesives are designed to repair car windows, but can also be used to repair broken window glass. More minor cracks can be successfully fixed with glass adhesives or clear epoxies. After gently cleaning the crack, run the adhesive down its whole length. Until the adhesive hardens, keep the two sides together. This repair works quite well for cracked stained glass. Before you use the glass adhesive to fix your broken window, ensure that the product is suitable for the type of window you're working on and compatible with glass by carefully reading the instructions. Nail polish. A straightforward method to repair damaged cracks in your window's glass is to apply multiple layers of transparent nail polish. However, nail paint will eventually need to be renewed because it typically lasts only a few weeks. So, there you have it. Fixing a cracked window can be easy if you use the proper techniques. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.